el fondo, bueno, es un pretexto, ¿no? La pobre mujer está ahí muerta de hambre, como los pájaros sobre los que canta. Y es una canción que me enseñó mi querido amigo Dorian Wood cuando estábamos de gira el año pasado. Un día, en un pueblo, en una ciudad en Reino Unido, dijo, quiero hacer una canción yo solo, bajaos del escenario, tal, porque éramos 3. Y cantó esta canción a capela y me quedé completamente enamorado. Yo no me acordaba de esta canción. Entonces ahora voy a hacerle un pequeño homenaje a él, a ella y a todos los que hay detrás. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that they care. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Ah, 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 simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence.